Well, y'all seen all that. Got these rockers off. Easy as that. Like I said, those little two loop, let's push them and turn the bottom ones and just yank the side of it off. You break those yellow ones, is all right, because you can buy more. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds. I'm Easy E, and we finally back on the Pontiac Torrent after working on everybody else's cars. So let's go see what we got to do. So here she is. I didn't know where to begin no more. I keep losing audio on this freaking GoPro. I don't even know if I got audio right now. So I'm going to make this quick. So a little update from the last video on the Monte Carlo. It was just either had a pinch vacuum line, or it did have a pinch vacuum line, and the controllers. HVAC control, end up fixing the pinch line that was behind the glove compartment and replacing the controls for the heat and AC. Now the heat works just fine. Everything works just fine. So let's get back on this Pontiac Torrent. Already got started as usual when I get bored, because you all know the last person that left last comment, we work full-time job, sometimes 6 days a week. So I got time to really make videos every week. That's why these videos are like 8 weeks behind, because sometimes I don't even make videos. We already got started on the Pontiac Torrent. We got the rocker removed. We got the surface rust ground down and put on some rust reform down there. We gotta get that fender off. We're gonna take these rails off. To do that, it's a 10 millimeter and a T30. First, pop those caps off. T30 back here. Pop the cap off. Slide this back. But you can't slide it back if you got that third brake light wingy thingy over here, which lucky we don't, because it was busted. So you can slide that back and pop those off. Then pop the rest of those, not this cap, ain't nothing in this cap. Then pop the rest of those caps off that's in there and take off those 10s, and probably see some T30s in there too. And pop those off. Still gotta get this back bumper off. We got some rust reform in there, rust reform there where it was rusty. Get this tail light out because it's full of water and mold. Already got that off. Got some more grinding to do. Get that tail light off, throw it in the back of the car. Grind this down, get some more rust. But in this video, we're going to be taking stuff apart. We got to get those off. Get these rockers off, which is pretty easy. There's a little clip at the bottom. I'll push the two tabs in. I'll try to turn it around so they can slide off. And the tabs that's on the side of the rocker in there, some yellow tabs. I usually pop those off. If they break, they break. You can order those off Amazon. But the ones on the bottom, you cannot find those. So since I keep losing audio, I have to keep resetting this GoPro. I got to buy a new GoPro. Don't know why. Some videos have no problem recording audio. Some videos, audio is crappy. I just don't know what's going on with this GoPro. Maybe I might change to another recording item. Y'all let me know which ones work better, because I'm still trying to find a different one. Because this one, don't know. I should have just kept my other one for backup, but I didn't, because my brother from another mother, Hasbro Enterprises, wanted to buy it because he's going to use it for his DJ gigs, and he never did. Now I'm just stuck with this one and having to keep unplugging them, pulling the battery out, put the battery back in. But I don't need audio when I'm in time lapse, so that's a good thing. Just need audio when I'm speaking. I need clear audio. Somebody just ran a stop sign out there, going 100 miles an hour. Just heard them. So if you're new to this channel, this was the Pontiac Torrent we picked up 2 years ago. This is a non-runner. Put another motor in her. Now it's time to get some of this body work done, get her painted, and get her all put back together. So whoever want to buy it can come buy it. There's a car lot that wants to buy these cars from me. So we're just going to work on that and keep it on rolling. So let's get to work. Did I mention 10, 10, the other 10, the other 10, 10 behind there, and 10 under there? And it was a little surface rust on the inside of the door. Grind it down and rust reform that as well. And these are the little clips at the bottom that I say you cannot find, cannot order. I don't know where to order these from. And these are the red clips, the yellow clips that you can order off Amazon if you break them. So let's continue on with this video.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Well, y'all seen all that. Got these rockers off. Easy as that. Like I said, those little two loop, let's push them. and turn the bottom ones and just yank the side of it off. You break the yellow ones, is all right because you can buy more. Found another little rust area back here, but I clean that up and I will rust reform that. I'm gonna try to fill that in with Bondo. I got some of these new, so those will be coming off. Not in this video, because you're gonna have a lot of prep work to do, especially to all these rusty areas. You can take the little antenna off. I used to have a tool to get these off, but I seem to have broke it. Now I gotta buy another one. But you know me, I paint all that. How the heater coming back on. Cut that off real quick. Whew. We got those off. I'm thinking I'm gonna paint the roof. It's a little bit in bad shape up there, but first I gotta clean it up real good. This is what happens when a car been sitting for 2 years in the elements without a car wash. That's why y'all see the clean areas up there and the dirty areas. That's me cleaning it with a brush. I have to clean the whole top with the brush and cleaning solution before I start prepping that for paint. Because I'm going to probably paint the roof, tape off the rest of the car, and paint the whole roof first. Because obviously, I don't got a shop. I'm saying it again. With a paint booth. And I think that's what you would do anyway. If you had a shop with a paint booth, you would paint the top first. Because you don't want to paint the top and be trying to lean over the sides after you paint the sides. Because the hose can hit it and you can mess up your paint. So I've seen a lot of people like Goon Squad. They'll paint the top first, let it cure, then they'll tape that all off and paint the rest of the car. That's it. I'm still doing. I'm not professional at body work, but I got still stand and do all we gotta do with all this over here and that over there. Tail light is out with all the water. Got wet. So that's garbage. Bumper, got a 7mm over here, screw over here, a 7mm over there. These clips, usually it's a clip that go in there, usually it breaks because you can't get in there and pop it off. It was already broken this side, I ended up breaking that one on that side, but it don't make no difference when you pop back up there and put the screws in it, it holds it. Because you got a screw there. You got another one right here, which is a 10mm. For the bumper, you got a bunch of those little Christmas trees, fasteners. 1, 2, 3. Then it's like 1, 2, 3, 4 underneath. Then you got 3 more on the other side. You got to pull all those off. Tail light's easy. Pop those covers off. 2 10mm. Make sure you go this way. At first, I see me trying to pull it this way. I forgot you got to go out with these. So they come outwards. They don't come towards you. They go out. Now I said the little rust area. The top, that top, and these look good over here. Everything's still wet, a lot of moisture on this car, but it was just sitting in the grass before I moved it into here, and I did rinse it off, so it is to be expected. And I can't heat this garage up too hot because then my kerosene heater will shut off and go into like a limp mode where it don't want to work. I gotta clean it all out and do that. But I think that's all I got to remove. I guess when I start the paint, I could remove the side view mirrors. I gotta paint these too, because they're sun faded. On the other car, I didn't have to paint those. Don't feel like taking them off. Because you got a bunch of screws down here. Take off some screws up under the hood to get those off. I did take them off on the black Equinox because I had to paint up in here and sand. But yeah, I can't take the side view mirrors off because I got to take this trim off anyway on these because they're sun faded. This one is deteriorated. And you got some clear coat peel that I have to address when I'm sanding this whole car down. I'm going to sand the whole car down. So I'm going to DA this whole car, debadge it, and it's getting DA'd. I think that's the way to go when it comes to painting the whole car. For me, that is, because if you just scuff it up, it seems like the paint like to flake off. But when I DA the whole car with like 240, 320, the paint sticks a lot better and it looks a lot better. This car has a lot of scratches, dents and dings. But when I'm finished, she's going to look 10 times better because I'm not a professional painter anyway. But we do make these cars look decent where people like them. Everybody can't afford a brand new car. And we let these cars go for cheap. And she is a runner and a driver. So, I guess with all that, we're going to get on out of here. And I'm reckoning it was just checking battery life. Battery about to go dead. It was the interface, my iPhone connecting to the GoPro through the app, which was not allowing the video to have audio. Now I'm not using my phone to control my GoPro, and it seems to be doing very well. So I'm going to try that off and on, but let me get this battery changed before I say my kudos. So if y'all enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. If you didn't, leave a comment in the comment section below. Share this video if you will with your friends and family. Consider subscribing to Easy's Rebuilds. We have merch at teespring.com. We take Cash App donations. We take donations of cars. Go follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. With all that, stay tuned and stay blessed, people. Deuces!